Hi everyone, it's Dhruv Bhutani from PhoneRanger.com, and you might have come across a lot of my reviews and a lot of event coverage from me on PhoneRanger.com over the years. I'm based out of New Delhi, and here are some of my favorite apps. So the first app that I really like is Series Guide. It's an interesting way to keep a track of all the TV shows that you're watching. It also has some rudimentary movie tracking functionality built into it, but that's not the main focus of the application. The cool part is that you can see a bit of the synopsis, you can see the show air times as well, and also the app synchronizes with Track.tv, which is this very cool database in the cloud that you can use for tracking your TV shows across platforms and across your mobile devices. It works really well. The base app is free, and but I've subscribed to the Series Pass X, which gives me a few more features for a very low price every year, and I think it's a fantastic purchase. So my next favorite app is called Pocket Casts, and since I'm an Android user, this is the preferred way to track your podcasts and to synchronize them across multiple phones as well on Android. This is a paid application, and on top of that they have another tier that you can use to synchronize and play your podcast in the web browser as well. I'm not subscribing to that, but the paid application is definitely worth it in my opinion. The next favorite app of mine is called Phonograph. I listen to a lot of lossless music on my phone, and most of the default music players just don't cut it for me. The app has a material design, it looks absolutely stunning, and it balances the feature set and design element very well. Of course, I know that PowerAmp is a lot more powerful, but for me, Phonograph gives me a very clean interface, and it just helps me get straight to the music, and that's about it. Phonograph is available for free on the Android Play Store. Another app that I really like is called LastPass. This is a password manager, and while this used to be a premium app and it required a subscription cost for the year, this is now free. So you can also synchronize all of your passwords across your web browser, both on your phone and your laptop or desktop, and it just works really well. For me, the best part is that on Android, I can easily just tap my finger, and it uses my fingerprint to help me log into websites. It can also help me generate a unique password, and on an average, I go for a password between 14 to 16 characters, and you should too, because security and your online security is the most critical thing these days. LastPass is free now. And now for the final app. There's a lot of photo editing apps out there on the Play Store, but for me, Snapseed is still my favorite. It once again balances the feature set and the UI very well for me. And Google is continuously adding more and more features to this application. So I prefer to use Snapseed and then export to Instagram or Facebook or whatever. And this has really become a part of my mobile photography workflow, so to speak. The app is available for free on the Android Play Store. So these were my top 5 apps that I use on my Google Pixel. Let us know what you think about them and what are your favorite apps. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.